everyone, welcome back. Not getting Pixel Flow notifications for free boosters, energy refills, or even reminders? Here's exactly where to turn them back on. First, go to your phone settings and then scroll down to the list of apps to find Pixel Flow, or just go ahead and directly search for it. Once you find it, tap on it and then tap notifications and make sure that allow notifications is toggled on. If it's gray, tap it to turn it green. Check the alerts tile below and make sure that it is set to banners or alerts, not none. Since none means nothing will appear on your screen even though notifications are technically allowed. Turn on sounds and badges as well. Now scroll back to the top of your settings and then search for focus, or you could also go directly to focus in the main screen. Once you find it, tap on focus as well and go through each focus mode you use. Sleep, do not disturb, personal, and make sure that Pixel Flow is not in the silence app list under each one. Since boosters and bounces are often the only free for a limited window, having these notifications working means you do not miss any of them. So all you've got to do is go to Pixel Flow, allow notifications on, set style to banners, focus mode checked. Pixel Flow alerts come through, and that's it. Subscribe.